What's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna be installing laminate hardwood in my room. You know, it's a pretty small room. It shouldn't take that much, but first we're gonna start off by taking off all the carpet. Yeah. We're gonna start from cutting the carpet in sections so it's easier to throw out the window. So basically you just wanna get your nail in and go all the way through. Just like that. And it should. Gotta go easy. Just come out and keep doing that.
You should be wearing a mask. You should be wearing a mask. Because this is crazy, man. You don't know what can happen with this disease. I don't know.
After you take the carpet out, you want to take all the foam that's beneath it out with it. Now it's a good time to sweep all the dust. As you can see, has been collected throughout the time that carpet was in there. Now when you get all the dust together, get yourself a shop vac, turn that on. Once you vacuum the whole place, there's these like ridges that is super pointy, that goes all around the whole room. Get yourself one of these flat pry bars, get yourself a hammer, put it in, hammer it in, take it out. Get yourself a bucket so you can put everything in there. So, super simple. Put it in, put it down, put it in, boom. Put it in one more time, boom. Put it in, get the hammer. Once you got all the pieces out, just go and look to see if you missed a nail or anything. Like right here. Once you have them all out, get the vacuum and vacuum everything one more time. So we got a large piece here, and then we cut it right here in the rigid, so we can just push this one in and then go through the door. it's dark in here. Like that, and then over here, we're just gonna connect it and keep going. You wanna get your other piece.
Yep.
And then put it in like that. Don't forget to get your space. And then you wanna get your hammer. And the block right here. Get your hammer and hit it. And then make sure the other person's watching over there. And then when you say good, get the other piece. You would want to flip your wood so you could draw the line, and then when you cut it out, you flip it around so it actually goes in this gap right here. Get your other piece, put the spacer right there, put the spacer right there, and basically you just want to do that for the whole thing. Keep it pretty, keep it funny. And the corner is going to be a little tougher than these, but yeah. No, it takes a little bit of time on these ones. But yeah. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Don't forget to take out your spacers that you put in, and yeah, supplies it. We left the little one here because we didn't have any spare parts, and we didn't want to we didn't want to cut a brand new one. So once we do the other rooms, we're gonna put the spare part in there. And yeah, also got these trims that go in here left to put, but after that, it's all done.